You are welcome to Nature Nurture Hub, where your love for plants grows into a thriving garden of knowledge and beauty. Imagine stepping into your kitchen, reaching for a handful of fresh, crisp greens, and knowing you grew them yourself. No chemicals, no grocery runs, just pure, vibrant flavor bursting with nutrients. That's exactly what growing watercress can bring into your life. But here's the surprising part. Most beginners think watercress is difficult to grow because it loves water. The truth, it's one of the easiest, fastest growing greens when you understand a few simple secrets. And today, you're about to learn everything you need, from lighting and watering to pruning and fixing common mistakes, so you can grow lush, delicious watercress right at home in the USA. Whether you live in an apartment or have a backyard, let's start by understanding what makes watercress so unique. Unlike typical leafy greens, watercress thrives in moist or even aquatic conditions. It naturally grows along streams and springs, meaning it loves clean, consistently wet environments. This makes it perfect for creative gardening setups, containers, hydroponics, or even a simple bowl of water on your windowsill. For beginners, this is actually an advantage because it removes the guesswork of "did I water enough?" When you're starting out, choosing the right location is crucial. Watercress prefers bright, indirect sunlight rather than harsh, direct rays. If you're growing indoors, place your container near a sunny window that gets about 4 to 6 hours of light daily. East-facing windows work beautifully. If you're outdoors, partial shade is ideal, especially in warmer states like Texas, California, or Florida, where intense sun can stress the plant. Temperature plays a huge role in the success of your watercress. This plant loves cool conditions. The sweet spot is between 50 Brgy F and 70 Brgy F. If temperatures climb too high, watercress may become bitter or bolt, meaning it will start flowering prematurely and lose its tender flavor. For USA gardeners, this means spring and fall are the perfect growing seasons. However, indoor growers can maintain these temperatures year-round with ease. Now let's talk about the most important part: watering. Watercress is not your average plant that needs occasional watering. It thrives in constantly moist soil or shallow water. If you're growing in soil, keep it consistently damp, never dry. If you're using a container method, you can place the pot in a tray filled with water so it continuously absorbs moisture from below. This mimics its natural environment and ensures strong, healthy roots. For hydroponic lovers, watercress is a dream plant. Simply place stems in clean water, ensuring the roots are submerged while leaves remain above the surface. Change the water every few days to keep it fresh and oxygen-rich. This prevents rot and encourages rapid growth. Soil choice is another factor beginners often overlook. Watercress prefers rich, organic soil that retains moisture well. A mix of potting soil and compost works perfectly. Avoid sandy or fast-draining soils as they dry out too quickly. The goal is to keep the roots comfortably wet at all times. Fertilizing your watercress is simple but powerful. Because it grows quickly, it benefits from regular feeding. Use a balanced liquid fertilizer every 2 weeks, diluted to half strength, Organic options like fish emulsion or compost tea are excellent choices. They not only nourish the plant but also improve soil health over time. Pruning is where the magic happens. Regular harvesting encourages the plant to grow bushier and more productive. Once your watercress reaches about 4 to 5 inches tall, start trimming the top leaves. Always leave the base intact so it can regrow. Think of pruning as giving your plant a haircut. It keeps it fresh, healthy, and full of life. Now let's address some common problems beginners face and how to fix them easily. If your watercress leaves turn yellow, it's often a sign of poor water quality or lack of nutrients. Refresh the water and add a gentle fertilizer boost. If the plant looks leggy and weak, it likely needs more light. Move it to a brighter spot. If you notice pests like aphids, rinse the plant gently with water or use a mild soap spray. One issue that surprises many growers is bitterness. If your watercress tastes too strong, it's usually due to high temperatures or lack of consistent watering. Keeping the environment cool and moist will maintain that mild, peppery flavor everyone loves. Another tip that can transform your results is succession planting. Instead of growing one batch at a time, plant new seeds every couple of weeks. This ensures a continuous supply of fresh greens throughout the season. For families or salad lovers, this is a game changer. Harvesting is the most rewarding part. Cut the stems just above the base, rinse thoroughly, and enjoy immediately. Fresh watercress is packed with vitamins A, C, and K, making it one of the healthiest greens you can grow at home. Add it to salads, sandwiches, soups, or smoothies for a burst of nutrition and flavor. For those living in colder states, don't worry. You can easily grow watercress indoors during winter. Use a shallow container, keep it near a window, and maintain consistent moisture. If natural light is limited, a simple grow light can make all the difference. What makes watercress truly special is how forgiving it is. Even if you make mistakes, it bounces back quickly. This resilience makes it perfect for beginners who are still learning the basics of gardening. As you continue your journey, you'll notice how this small plant transforms your connection with nature. Watching it grow, harvesting your own food, and tasting the freshness, it's a deeply satisfying experience that goes beyond gardening. And here's the truth most people don't realize: once you successfully grow watercress, you gain the confidence to grow almost anything. It becomes your gateway into a thriving, self-sustaining garden. So, start simple. A container, some water, you a bit of light, and you're on your way to growing one of the most nutritious greens on the planet. If you love learning about seasonal flowering plants, gardening tips, and nature care, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Nature Nurture Hub, your home for year-round garden inspiration. Let's keep growing together.